Hey, welcome everybody. My name's Jerry, it's 3DHP. And in this video we're going to talk about ERYONE's color changing filament. It's two colors in one. I've got their gold purple and their blue green. It's amazing filament. And right after this we'll talk all about it and I'll show you a couple failures I had. Thank you. Welcome back everybody. ERYONE sent me out 2 rolls of their filament. Let's open it up and see what we got. This is their blue-green filament. The package is very soft, vacuum sealed, and opens real easy. It's not hard to rip open at all. Wow, blue and the green all in one strand. That's amazing. I've never printed with filament like this before. It's very nice. Seems to be wound very well. On to the next one. This is a gold purple. Gold and purple all in the same strand. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Nice, wound very well. Very cool. Gonna make some cool prints with this stuff. And here's time lapses. We'll jump in and time lapse everything here. And of course this is sped up. It's my Anycubic Cobra. And this is called a base 10. It's over on printables.com. And I got a couple different lights in the room there, and depending on what day it was, it took a few days to print this. Okay, moving on, we have a little flexi dinosaur, and now we've got an upside down skull. Dragon, flexi dragon. Here we've got a beautiful base. This is the blue and the green, and as it slowly rotates, it goes from blue to green in each layer or area changes. It's really, really pretty. It took quite a bit of filament to do this. My layers were 6, 4, 4, 5% infill. It took quite a bit of filament to print that. It's very sturdy and strong, and if you dropped it, I'm sure it wouldn't hurt it. Now look at the bottom there. It's just amazing how that came out. Very beautiful. And that's off of printables.com called Vase 10. There's a whole bunch of different ones in the file. And here is my failure. Oops, I dropped part of it. I'll pick it up here and I'll show you what I got. I had a clog. The bottom was coming out beautiful, and then I'm looking at the top. It's like, wow, that looks funny. And I grab it while it's printing. It's all spongy. Well, that's called under extrusion, guys. You have under extrusion, it's spongy. That's what happens. So I had to unclog the nozzle, and I started to print. But yeah, it started out fine until it wasn't. But that occasionally happens. Probably something in the filament that might have had a little bit of an impurity or something. And this is from Flexi Factory. Little Flexi dinosaur. Pretty cool. So to kind of rotate there in the light and change its colors. It's really neat how you can look at it in the light and move it around and just changes colors. So, and that prints in place, lays flat on the build plate. Print it out and take it off the bed when it cools down, and boom, it's ready to go. Pretty neat. And that's off of my mini factory. I'm not a member of their Patreon, so I have to buy the files one at a time. And this is from Chaos Cortex. It's a skull I printed upside down. It's like a little flower pot, I guess. And beautiful. It came out really, really nice in that blue and the green. Like I say, on all these models, I print everything. My layer heights are 6, 4, 4, 6 top, 4 bottom, 4 perimeter, 5% infill at 0.20 layer height. My print temperatures are 210 and 60 on the bed. But that's very pretty. Kind of letting this video run out a little bit so you can see the changing colors in it. But as the light hits it, it changes different shades of colors. It's really amazing. And then here's a dragon I did a while back. I've done this in different filament, and now I've got the blue and the green, and that is just beautiful. And that's printed at 100% scale, and then a Cubic Cobra also. And it came out really nice. I did have a problem here with bed adhesion, so I tried twice, and I had some failed parts on my Cubic Cobra, so I had to break out the glue stick, and then I was managing to print it. So I had 2 failed attempts. Even after I cleaned the bed with soap and water, I went ahead and tried to print it, and I was having a problem, so I broke out the glue stick, and then it printed fine. So then I had under extrusion air, and then layered the area here where it wouldn't print, and there were my 2 failures. Oh wow, check this out. That's my gold and purple. Look at that vase. Oh my God, that looks so cool. That is amazing. And I didn't do any of these in vase mode. They're very sturdy and rugged and strong. It's very thick. But look at the changing colors on that. Oh my God. That is beautiful. And this was not scaled up. Everything that I printed here is at 100% scale. The way the file was released and designed. Oh, I think there's one thing coming up here that I scaled up a little bit for my wife. Oh, and there's a monster mug. Got that off of Fangs. I'll have the link below where that came from over on Fangs. Jamie Robinson had one on her on my live stream a few weeks ago and showed me. That was really cool. And since I drink Monster Energy drinks, I needed a mug. This is very cool. So that gold and that purple, it's just amazing how it changes colors. So, and I think that ERYONE has like 8 different colors that are dual colors like this, and I think they're coming out with some triple colored filament also. So it's not rainbow, it's like in each strand it has multiple colors in one. The can fits right in it, and it's got that hole in the bottom, so if you got to wash it out or clean it, you can easily clean it. So, but yeah, look at that. It's amazing. There's a couple different versions of this file, with left-handed, right-handed, without the label. And here's a balloon dog. I guess that's a balloon dog. That's by Chaos Cortec off of Fangs. And I did it small. Didn't want to do it too big. It came out good. I left a little bit of stringy on it that had happened underneath. But yeah, that gold and that purple is just amazing. Very pretty. Very cool. And it's amazing how it changes colors. Very pretty to look at. And there's a lot of different balloon dog characters over on Fangs by Chaos Cortec. They're amazing designers, sculptors. But that's pretty cool to look at. Okay, and here's a mermaid. I scaled this one up a little bit. I forget where I found this file. It might have been on my Mini Factory or Cults. My wife she has a friend in Florida. She wanted to make a mermaid for her. A friend of hers name is Candy, so I printed a little tiny logo that says Candy on it in Tinkercad, and I'll glue that on the front, and my wife can mail it off to her. And that's a little mermaid, and that's done in the gold and the purple. And the front basically looks gold with tints of purple, the back looks pretty much purple. It's pretty amazing. So, I'm amazed at how this filament looks in the light, and you twist it and turn it, and light hit it in different directions, how it changes colors. Really cool. There's my ERYONE filament dryer in the back that I reviewed last time, but I did not need to dry this filament. It's good to go right out of the package. Yeah, it just came out really nice. But please like, subscribe, and share, everybody. Here is a bunch of their filament right here. If they have, there's like 8 different colors. It's really cool. And here's their whole team. I found this picture over on Facebook.